welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a lionfish with a truly unique appearance. Lionfish have a very striking shape, so take your time to observe the details and draw carefully. Now, let's start drawing. The lionfish is a tropical marine fish that belongs to the group of vertebrates. It is well known for its long, flowing fins that spread out like a lion's mane, along with bold red, brown, and white stripes. Lionfish usually live around coral reefs, rocky areas, and underwater caves, where they can hide and hunt for food. They are carnivorous animals, feeding mainly on small fish and invertebrates. Although lionfish move slowly, they are very effective predators thanks to their camouflage and sudden attacks. The spines on their fins contain venom, which helps protect them from predators. With their distinctive shape and impressive colors, lionfish are among the most eye-catching marine animals. And now, it's time to start coloring. We have now finished drawing and coloring this impressive lionfish. Follow the channel to continue drawing and discovering more unique and fascinating animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching!